Yo, what is up, guys? Today, kind of trade recap. So yesterday, I did not actually take this trade, but I was looking at the market, and if I were to take a trade, it would be this trade that I'm gonna show you guys right now. So coming into the market, I saw that we yesterday we sold off really hard. So what I wanted to see today was that we kind of rebalance that and move towards this like massive 4 hour fair value gap. So that was my basically where I want to go. But then on the lower time frames, we already swept Asia high right here, and we also left kind of a big fair value gap right here down here that we could potentially like retrace into. That I kept in mind. And before market open, if you look on the lower time frame, you see we take bullishness. Uh, we keep being bullish till here, then we create this low, and then we fail to create a new higher high right here. That's something I saw, and I'm like, okay, this could potentially show us that we might be going bearish and make that potential retracement that I marked out. So, and I'm not. It's only 5 minutes as well that we failed to create that high. So, with that in mind, I look on the market and see that we don't sweep this low yet. Because if we sweep this low, then I'm more confident that we might make that retracement, right? But we're still trading lower, still making new lower lows. We actually do break this high, this one right here, but on a higher time frame, I don't think that's a break. So yeah, so eventually market opens right about. Can I do this in 1 second? No. Okay. So the 1 minute market opens. We sweep through this high, but we still fail to sweep this high right here, because overall we should sweep this high if we really want to be bullish. So what I still wait for, and also on the 2 minute, I see this getting respected. I'm going on higher time frames as well. I see this. I think this gets respected as well. Yeah. So I see this all getting respected. Actually, I think this, yeah, that makes the inversion. So this candle was kind of ugly because we kind of inversed that 1 2 minute. It was way more clear. And with this inversion, I'm like, okay, this is enough confirmation for me to take this trade. I took this trade, set my stop loss at this high right here, and then yeah, that was basically the trade that I took. We came all the way back up to here, but I set my stop loss right there. So if we were bullish, we would have. I could have. The better stop loss would have been up there, but I'm not sure if I would have been able to take the 1 to 2, because price did not make that deep of a retracement. But let's see. Yeah. So that retracement didn't like fully work, and then yeah. So basically, this 1 to 2 worked out, and I took a 1 to 2 right here. So reason being, we traded lower. We did take out this high, so that was a kind of indication that we could see a sweep higher, but we still like stopped chopped around. I did like the setup because on the 2 minute we were respecting these bearish value gaps right here. I think we did eventually inverse those. Yeah, with this candle we inversed them, but yeah, overall I would say decent trade. But a thing that I could have like saw is because we swept this, we could see the sweep higher right here. That will happen right there, and that maybe could have been my indication to okay, uh, price is not like certainly clear, and yeah, we could see the sweep higher because you don't want to see the sweep right here if you want to be bearish. You just want to see clean price action, this getting respected, and then we move down. But yeah, overall, if I were to take this trade, it would be a nice trade. So for next time, and what I usually also see in my back testing is that if we make a sweep like this, 9 of the 10 times we will come back up and sweep the uh, high above there. So yeah, that's the thing to keep in mind. But yeah, overall, and then I think we dumped. Yeah. So what could I have done if I didn't take this trade? I could have waited, seen this happening, change its later delivery. Fair value gap right here. Should have just waited for this fair value gap, respected right there. Stops at this high. So that this would have been probably the other trade if I were to take another 1 to 2 right there, and yeah, that all worked out. So then I threw my stop loss right here to there, and then yeah, trade done. Could I have dragged it down here? I don't think so, but like, I should just target 1 to 2s, and that's like all of it. That's basically it. So that's the trade recap for today. So reason for this, for me going short, was because I saw this thing getting rejected, us not sweeping higher, and us making lower time frame shorts. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys Monday. Why I didn't take it on the eval was because I already hit the max profit before market open, which is like also a rule break. But yeah, I'll be working on it, and I'm feeling like the weekend's gonna make me more peaceful and give me a clearful mind. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys Monday.